It is KTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is KTimes.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune United 3. Kaizer Chiefs suffering their first defeat of the season, conceding their first 3 goals of the season, losing their first 3 points of the season. Mr. Tsoenso, mandukubulisa mhlekazi kunjani?
Tata. Angibulisa Mr. Nkeu,
Yeah.
ngibulisa Stizi, ngibulisa Chairman, ngibulisa uLindo, ngibulisa uBobo Khadoso. Ngibulisa nawe mhlekazi omhle.
Mr. Tsoenso.
Ongasukubhubha ngecala.
How legend.
Phela mele yazi mele uma ngibheka wena mhlekazi ngikubulisa mele ngikwazi ukubulisa ngendlela ekufanele.
Bo Mr. Tso.
Phela uyi-champion so kufanele uma ngikubulisa mhlekazi ngibuye ngibheke kahle mhlekazi.
Hey, Mr. Tso.
Yazi team enkulu khona manje I can hear ngathi kunamaphathi kuyanuka manje umlilo ngaphandle ngathi people are celebrating.
People are crying, Mr. Tso.
Yeah, ngiyezwa manje ngathi kunesmoke unyana ngaphandle. It tells you how big this team. Shane.
Mr. Tso, not a game. A game besilindele because coming into this game, bilindelekile. If Sundowns bengakhange idlale over the weekend and occupy the top spot, igame namhlanje besawuthi it was a top of the table clash.
Yeah.
But Sundowns spoiled all of that on the weekend. Benza show good okay they are sitting kula position by Israel.
Yeah.
But namhlanje umdlalo obumkhulu FNB Sekhukhune up against iKaizer Chiefs. Eric Tinkler up against Coach Nabi.
Yeah.
But one factor, there's one player who just enjoys playing this fixture. Bradley Grobler.
Angethi Shane, well done to Coach Eric.
Yeah.
Well done to his technical team. Well done to the boys. Well done to the Sekhukhune. Adibatlabe. The chairman and the CEO. Well done for the 3 points. I think, to be really honest, they deserve it. Coach Eric, I think in this game he was the master in terms of how he planned the game, and he planned it very, very well.
What was his plan when I said so? Minute one, number one.
You know what it did was to close the midfield, to frustrate Kaizer Chiefs, because he knows that he's got Ulonduzana, he's got the Tlapa on the left. That boy, look at, you know, Coach Eric is very smart, you know. So what he did first up was, Makhalwa, I just want you to come in. I want you to confuse them, and then we're gonna use Ulitlapa on the left to go up and then give us something. And it worked very well, because if you can check the goal, is Sekhukhune. He's the one who played that long ball, and then Ramala flick it. And I couldn't understand. I couldn't understand how Kaizer Chiefs were defending in that moment. But I'm coming to that.
Yeah.
By Flicker, Ngube on the right side, good touch, good cross pass, Grobler.
He's a sniper, so.
Shane, you know there's one thing that I always say, and people sometimes they laugh at me when I say this. You cannot go to Woolworths and buy experience, guys. You can go anywhere, you cannot buy that experience. That guy knows those goalposts. He knows when to make those runs. And then if it happens in a game that he made a run wide, he will touch the ball and then it goes back to his position.
Yeah.
Shane, so that's what he did to Ulonduzana Eric. And what he did was he confused Kaizer Chiefs at all, because on the right side he stayed with Ngobe on the right side. But on the left side he said, Makhalwa, come in. And then it's going to be you, Makhalwa, it's going to be you, Ramala here. And then Grobler in front of you guys. So initially, count how many players he's got up front. He's got 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 behind. So now Kaizer Chiefs were confused. So that's why they couldn't do anything. And now in the midfield, what it did was he had Umkize and Umunare,
Yeah.
Utesh, to say, you guys, I want to look, Shane, Eric. Eric is very smart. They were very close to each other. There was no space between them. They were very close to each other because what it did was, I want to protect my goalpost. So they were very close, in that spinal cord. So it mess up the Lontuzana, Kaizer Chiefs. And then look what another thing. There was an action that happens, and that's why I saw that Coach Eric is very smart. Frosler took a shot. When Frosler took a shot, the keeper got the ball. Ne? Immediately, the keeper played in that position where Frosler.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
very smart. You analyze your opponent, you study them, and you look at them and say, okay, because Marco likes to go up, I know Frosler likes to go up. What I will do is, I'm gonna face up, I'm gonna use those width.
Now, Mr. So sorry ngokuqhawula. Now as usibalisela coach Eric Tingler.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuva indlela ethetha ngayo ukuthi he had a game plan.
Yeah.
Obviously no coach Nabi had a game plan, but do you feel ukuthi coach Nabi when he came to the game saw izinto ezenziwa coach Eric Tingler? Uresponde njani coach Nabi kwi-plans zika coach Eric Tingler namhlanje?
Shane, sometimes you respond. Actually, not sometimes you respond.
Yeah.
You have to respond. The problem is that when you respond, do you have the really tools to respond? That's the thing. Because when you look at the Chiefs, one, they don't have a striker. They don't have somebody that is really deadly in front of the goalpost. Even if Ulilepo can do whatever on the wing, Sereno can do whatever on the wing or behind the strikers, but if you don't have somebody who's deadly there, you're going to have problems, because when they get to that final third, it Chiefs, they look like they don't know exactly what is that they need to do in that final third.
Akakazama umfana omtsha. He scored 2 goals in 2 games, so.
Shane,
Awukambali ukuthi is one of mhlawumbe might be there.
Shane, when I always get worried when I look at players like this, when they come in, they score, because there was a player that came in and Umisenkeu wamcelebrate wamnikeza laphayana nickname ensimanzima.
Bani lo Mr. So?
Hey, wathi Caleb ngathi mina no hippopathisa akayicula akayiyeke le tebholi isamhlula leshandisi izamhlula ngathi mina. So I'm worried ngalona, even though he's got good touches, but I'm worried ukuthi he's got good touches.
Yeah.
Is he a typical striker or is a half number 9? Because I saw him at some point dropping to that midfield, having touches, again moving wide, holding the ball. So I'm worried when if you are a top striker, you'll be away most of the time in that danger zone. But I like what it did in their goal where Ulilepo made a run, got a ball. I was also disappointed. Let me go back to that point, Ileana Yokala, when
Yeah.
First goal is Kukul. I don't understand why they were confused, Umarco and Aiden La. Because I believe that as a centre back, you don't go out in that manner and leave. Because if you move, you go there. That means you leave your left back here. Then you're creating a space behind you. Who's going to cover that space?
Was it not supposed to be Marco Umkavela?
It was no, but Umarco can allow Marco to go there. Don't create this space, because let me show you something, Shane.
Okay.
He goes. Let's say Umarco stays, ne?
Yeah.
He goes to that ball, ne? Uramalo flicker, ne? Then Nube, he cuts in front of Umarco. Who's covering this position?
No one.
So that's my worry. That's why I'm so worried, Tuguti. How do they organize that defense? Because in that situation, or either if you go make a foul, if you can get a ball, make a foul. Because if that ball pass, it's a goal, because already you went out of your position, you created a space behind you. Or else, you see, if you see Marco is coming there, then you can draw back to say if the ball goes wide, then you know that you can still go and cover there, and then Marco will cover you here. But in that instead, what happened is that they went there, both of them. That flick beat both of them, so there was no cover. Then that was a problem. Again, Skukune, same thing again. Lilepo, all of them, they were right there in that bar line. Lilepo, Kize, and the center back. You know, Shaylee, you can see, you covering Kize.
Yeah.
You can see right Kize is right in the bar line. Why do you also go to the bar line? Stay in, and then so that if the cross goes in, the goalkeeper can get it.
Sure.
But if you go to the penalty spot, then you can get it. Again, goal. Second goal, Grobler.
Wakora, uyayazi umnathu indalo so uflathela ipali. Always in the kitchen.
That's why I'm saying a striker, you must know what's your primary job. And then for you to do that primary job, you need to be in that area. Look at how Grobler made that 10 and took a shot with the left foot. He knows where the goal post because he's a typical striker. He's not that striker that wants to be mobile and be smart and never. No. He does his primary job very well. He was in a very good position and then 10 and punish. Third goal. Again, defense. Kaizer Chiefs. Ball watching. The ball is there. In the 18 era of Sekukune, they allow Grobler to draw on the side. Then they play the long ball there. Miguel was not close to Grobler. Grobler flicked the ball.
Again.
Then dash. Then I ask, you know, there's a lot of mistakes that Chiefs they did in terms of ball watching, not picking people. You know, because when they play that ball, Dash made a run from the midfield. Where are the midfielders? And then now, probably flick it. Dash make that run. He has to be covered by who? By Frostler. Then where's the center back? Because I believe that even if when I always say this, when you attack, you are as good as defending. Because when you lose the ball, you need to have people that are closing in there. But now, with Chiefs, it's like, hey man, what happened? Grobler is flicking the ball alone. Dash is making a run in between them. He goes to score. And he tried to Nabi. He tried to by putting in Utuba, Vilagaz, but I think it was late. Yes, there were some changes, but it was a game over. I mean, it was 3-1. And Eric said, look, Nami, I'm going to do the very same thing. I'll take out I'll take out Makhalwa. I'm going to bring in Speedy so that bangakwazi ukukhuphuka. But anyway, ugcine seconds no, guys, it's 10 minutes left.
Yeah.
So let's just sit.
Take the points and
Let's
go
just
home.
sit. Then we get 3 points. We go home.
Mr. Tswenzo, thank you so much, Mhlekazi. Ngosi kakhulu for your analysis. Bese FNB Stadium namhlanje where Kaizer Chiefs abisamkela ke isikhukhune kumdlalo we-Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune United 3. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Shapunjani bafowethu, igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi. They call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.